snowy fun. Peppa and George are excited today because it's snowing.
Can we go outside?
Asks Peppa. Yes, replies Mummy Pig, but you must bundle up first. The two little piggies put on their warm, woolly clothes and run out into the snow.
Come on, George,
calls Peppa.
Let's make footprints.
Splat! Peppa runs so fast she falls over and lands headfirst in the snow. Laughs George.
It's not funny,
Peppa says.
George,
Cries Peppa.
let's make snowballs.
Peppa picks up some snow, tosses it at George, and laughs. George giggles too. He wants to make a snowball just like Peppa. After they're done playing, Peppa has an idea.
Let's build a snowman,
She says. Peppa and George roll up large balls of snow. Then they find sticks for the snowman's arms and stones for his eyes and mouth. Next, Peppa makes the snowman's nose with a big orange carrot.
He needs clothes to keep him warm,
Says Peppa. George runs inside to find some woolly clothes. The snowman is very happy. Mummy and Daddy Pig come outside. Mummy is wearing her warm, woolly clothes, but Daddy looks cold and grumpy.
I don't know where my winter clothes are,
Says Daddy. I think I know, Mummy Pig smiles. Daddy Pig's hat, scarf, and gloves are all on the snowman, of course. Peppa, George, Mummy, and Daddy Pig laugh so much they fall over in the snow. What a fun winter day it has been. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.